Okay, so here is the answer key for the practice test for algebraic equations that we've been working on. Okay, so the first question here, I have 3 m's, so that would be 3m. My 6 is positive, plus 6. This indicates an equal sign, equals 18. So I'll subtract 6 on both sides. And then divide by 3. Okay, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Answer is 4. Here, question 2, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Okay, then I'm left with 4x equals 48. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 12. Answer is 12. Okay, here, so this is a distributive property question. So the negative 2 multiplied by x gives us negative 2x. Negative 2 multiplied by 4 gives us, negative 8. Okay, the 30 stays the same. So the answer is B. All right, so here, first we're going to subtract 2 on both sides. We're left with x over 3 equals 4. Multiply both sides by 3, and x equals 12. Okay, so here we have to pay attention to our legend. So we have a positive x, and a negative x. So these two cancel out, and I'm just left with x. Here I have a positive 1 and 2 negative ones, so these cancel out, and I'm just left with negative 1. The line indicates an equal sign, and then on the other side of the equal sign, I have positive 7, and then I would just solve like normal, so x would be equal to 8. Okay, for this one, I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides, so x equals negative 4. All right, moving on. So here we have to look at where the mistake is. So this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, but then this ends up with the wrong answer. So what happened here is she probably ended up dividing by 3 instead of multiplying by 3. So if we multiply like 3 like we're supposed to, our answer would be 9. Okay? Last bit here. So Mike and 3 friends went to the Shediac Lobster Festival. Cost of admission was $5 a person. They each bought a bracelet that allowed them unlimited rides, and the total cost of admission was $100. I'm actually going to do B first. So Mike and 3 friends is 4 people. It costs $5 to get in per person. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, so that is our constant. The total cost was 100, and we don't know how much the bracelets cost, so we're going to represent that with an x. So that's the equation, and then we're going to solve it. So subtract 20 on both sides. Then I'm left with 4x equals 80. Then I divide both sides by 4. So x equals 20, which is the cost of a bracelet. Okay, and then the last question. So price of basketball jerseys was reduced by 8. So x minus 8. Okay, the coach bought 12 jerseys. That goes in the front for a total cost of $420. So I need to distribute the x. So this bit should actually, go, sorry, I'm just trying to select this. That's okay. So this bit should actually go down here, but it's okay. So 12 times x is 12x. 12 times 8 is 96. So it's negative 96 equals 420. So we're going to add 96 to both sides. Then I'm left with 12x equals 516. Then we divide both sides by 12. And x equals 43. I wouldn't ask you that big of a number on an assessment because I can't expect you to do numbers that big without a calculator. Okay? So the original price of the jerseys was $43 each. And here is my algebraic equation.